So, Mr. Rudra, 2016, May, June, QP21, question number 25. A is a 0.41, A is 0.41, B is 0.1015. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. So, perpendicular bisector. If I have this line AB, then the perpendicular bisector has two properties. One, it passes through the midpoint. So C would be the midpoint. The second property that a perpendicular bisector, let us name the perpendicular bisector as PQ. The second property that a perpendicular bisector has, that it is 90 degree. Mr. Rudra, any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So how I'll solve this question? I have this point A 41. I have this point B 10 15. The first thing that I need to find is midpoint C. For midpoint, I need to find the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So if I calculate, I'll get 7 upon 8. So is there any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Basically 4 plus 10, 14 upon 2 would be 7, and 1 plus 15, 16 upon 2 would be 8. So that is why this point would be equal to 7, 8. Any doubt?
No, sir.
The second property that I need to understand is that if I find the slope of this line, AB, I can get the slope of the perpendicular by using the product of slopes of perpendicular lines. So if you remember, this is the formula that I have, that if AB is a line which has a slope m1 and PQ is a line which has slope m2, and these two lines are perpendicular, that m1 into m2 would be equal to -1. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now I have the coordinates of point A and B. A is 4, 1, B is 10, 15. So the first thing that I do is I find the slope of AB using the slope formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Once I have the slope 7, 3, I find the slope of PQ, which will be equal to -3 by 7, because 7 upon 3 into -3 upon 7 would be equal to -1. Once I have the slope of PQ, then I use the third equation, which is the slope of a line. The slope of a line is given by y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. In this equation, m is the slope of the line and x1, y1 are the points through which this line is passing. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
That means that if slope of a line is m and it is passing through x1, y1, then the slope of this line would be given by y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now I have y1, I have x1, which is the center point C. I have already found the slope m. So all I need to do is put the values here and get the slope of the line, which will be the perpendicular bisector PQ. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
So this is what I have done. Now, finally, all I need to do is just put the values of the midpoint and the slope of the perpendicular. And once I do some algebraic manipulation, this is the final answer I'll get. So this is the slope of the line and this is the intercept. Another equation that you would have seen would be y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. This is another equation of the line which is usually used in questions. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.